Welcome back, crypto diggers. Today we'll be revising how to use the AYIN.app and how to trade, to provide liquidity, how to stake. We're also running through AYIN. So grab your virtual pickaxes because we're about to embark on an incredible journey. So what we're going to start with is entering the app. So you click on here. You're going to need to sign in. Today we're going to run through the extension wallet. I feel that's the easiest, and you can create the group 0 by just clicking on the account and add account. So if you hit an add account, if you're using any other group other than 0, so like a group 2 or group 1, you need to click add account and then select the group 0 and make sure you have Alephium in that account so that when you process transactions, you have gas to pay that. What you will need to do is have Alephium in that extension wallet and then trade for some AYINs. So at the moment, one AYIN is going for 3.719 Alephium. So what you need to do first is purchase how much you want. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase 100 right now. Sign the transaction in your wallet and you will have found yourself with some AYIN in that wallet. Just confirm here, this is where you need to find whether it's moving through or not. So that's pending at the moment. You can check the Explorer to see how that's processing. At the moment, it's running at fast speeds, which is a lot better than what happened during the launch, but we've got that fixed now, so everything should be moving through within minutes. Now, once you've seen that that's confirmed and it's successful, you can move back over here and just double check in your wallet that you have purchased and received those AYINs. Now that they're in there, you can stake some LP. So we need to provide liquidity with what we've traded on. We've now got the AYIN and the Alephium, and we need to come and bring it to the liquidity pool. So we click add liquidity. This is to add, to remove, it's the same thing, but in the opposite. So we select how much Alephium and how much AYIN we want to add to that pool. I'm going to go with a solid half of that. I click add liquidity and then click sign. Now, once that's entered into your wallet, like so, you can take that over to the stake LP section and click on stake. Now that will give you how much you have and how much you want to stake. Now I click max, that's my choice. You can choose whether you want to do half, more, whatever you want to do, but whatever you put in there will be gaining that 1000% APR. Click stake and sign in your wallet. Now if we move back over to the Ayinswap, you can then take those rewards that you're getting from that LP pool into AYIN. So AYIN is its own section, it's its own coin. So essentially what we do is we add our AYIN and mint AYIN. You can see up here how many AYIN are in circulation at the moment and the APR that these AYINs are receiving. You won't be able to see how much is coming out, but what you will be able to do is burn those tokens at the end of the day and you will have the rewards unwrapped from those tokens. So your AYIN will come out of the contract with its rewards and the AYIN will be burnt at that stage. From here, we just click mint, sign in the wallet, and that transaction will move through. So the combined APR of the LP plus moving those rewards into the APR, that's a compounding. Now, of course, this is all personal choice, personal preference, whether you choose to remove some of those rewards, trade some of those rewards, and add some rewards into AYIN. Sell all of your rewards, it's entirely up to you, but this is how the ecosystem works at the moment. So that's how AYIN works. If you want to check out the LPs and what pools are in there, and also how much volume is in those pools, just click on the two associating tokens, and that'll come out with the pooled ALF and pooled AYIN. So at the moment, 428,000 ALF has been pulled into that, the LP of ALF and AYIN. You can also check other pools to see if anything is up there. So currently there's no ALF and AYIN pool. There is an ALF and ALF pool. We've got 51 ALF and 2 ALF. So that's the pool there that we're talking about actually incentivizing. There's also a Packer ALF pool at the moment. So yeah, keep your eye on these things. They are moving through and there's some good trades to be made. I hope that's enough information from me today. Like, subscribe, and enter your comments down below. Don't forget to join the Discord to have your words put in there. There's contribution channels, there's chat channels, there's voice channels. So get involved and maybe get some alpha.